How to use the new Contextual Taskbar feature for gradients in Photoshop, PC or Mac. For this feature to work, you need 26.1 or greater of Photoshop, PC or Mac. To download it, go to your Creative Cloud. Go to the Gradient tool, press G on the keyboard, then go up here and select Gradient. It will not work with Classic Gradient. So Gradient, set the gradient here, and as soon as you add your gradient like that, you will see this. Contextual Taskbar changes to include gradients. So click here and you can select different gradients. You can run through all of the gradients you've got. I'm just going to go with that one. Then click here to display all the types, radial, angle, etc. It's exactly the same as obviously the options up here, but it's just easy accessible just by this bar. Also what you can do is you can select any of the stops. So with that selected, you can see as you select them, the colour here will change to the colour there. Click here and it will display the colour picker, and you can just change the colour. So maybe go for green and click OK. And again, you'll see the colour here as well. Also, you can reverse the gradient. So click and you can reverse it back and forth to see which was best. Also, you can click here to display the properties panel. So the properties give you more options such as the type, method, smoothness, opacity, etc. You can also, if you don't wish to see the contextual taskbar, click here, you can hide it, as well as reset the bar position and also pin the bar position to a place that you prefer. Note that this feature is not available if you're using the Classic Gradient option. So Classic Gradient, you will see just this. Only available once you select Gradient and click on the document and drag.